Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off high contrast fonts in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. Right now we have our high contrast fonts enabled, as you can see, and we want them off. So where to disable it? First we need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility options menu. Then at the top we have vision enhancements. And here it is, high contrast fonts. We can turn it on or off using this switch on the right. Here, as you can see, it's a simple on or off switch. And if you are interested, when we open high contrast fonts menu, we can add a shortcut to not look for this function in our settings. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.